Hello everyone, hope you guys all are well. So today I'm going to show you how to download Android apps in your mobile. Sometime our Google Play Store not working, we cannot install or download any apps. Sometime we face some problem here. So that's why today I'm going to show you other method. So let's go. First of all, we can open the Chrome browser, and in the Chrome browser here is the search bar. In search bar I'm gonna write apk pure. Okay, the search bar is apk pure, apk pure. Okay, so this is the first m.apkpure.com. There also have a lot of link, no need to go other link, just go apkpure.com and I'm going to apk pure. Click the apk pure. This is the official website for apk pure. Okay, there is a lot of apps, even all Android game apps. You guys will find out here all Android apps. Okay, so if you guys need any apps, here is the search bar. Now I'm going to search what apps I need, like LinkedIn app. Okay, this is LinkedIn. So I'm going to tap the download APK. Tap the download APK. So download anyway. Tap the anyway. Now download is started. So you guys can see now download already started. So I think I have already LinkedIn. Let me check. Oh shit, I have already LinkedIn. Okay, so I'm going to cancel it. Cancel. So this is the Instagram. It was before I downloaded it from apkpure.com, the first one, Instagram. So after you guys download, you will get same interface, and here is the install button. You guys can install. Okay, so I think this video will help you guys. Just go to apkpure.com and find out your apps and download and install it. Thank you so much for watching my video.